Hey everybody, this is Jerry
Dr. Laura.
and this is the welcome to the Jerry and Dr. Laura show.
Sponsored by the Auto Shop.
Where?
Do you have a warranty on the repairs on your vehicle? So it's very important for you to know. I know, I'm ignoring that one. It's very important for you to understand when you have your vehicle repaired, what warranty those repairs have. Because not all shops have warranties.
Boy, that's no joke. We had a customer call us up and said, I had my vehicle repaired at another shop and they had the car over here. We called them up, said, what's your warranty? And they said it was the bug busting warranty. I said, what the heck is that? He goes, as soon as that car is driving down the highway and bugs are hitting the windshield, warranty's over.
The bug busting warranty. Okay, so that's not a good warranty for you to have on your auto repair.
Or as soon as they see taillights, the warranty's over, right? You hit the brake light, the warranty's done. See? That's not how. That's
not
bad.
good.
That's a bad warranty.
Okay, so what is a good warranty? Like, what can people expect from an honest, good auto repair shop? What kind of warranty do we have?
Well, that's a great question. And aside from the bug busting one and the tail lights and all that, let's get serious about it. Every repair should have some kind of warranty. Mm-hmm. And depending on what the repair is, right, it could be as short as 90 days, 3,000 miles, or as long as 3 years, 36,000 miles. Most of the repairs that we do at the auto shop carry a 3-year, 36,000 mile nationwide warranty.
Oh, that's good.
And so if you're within 25 miles of the auto shop, then of course you would bring the vehicle back here and we would help you take care of the problem. But if you're outside of 25 miles, give us a call and we'll help you. There's a 1-800 number we call, and it's done with a third-party insurance company that takes care of all the paperwork, all the details, all of everything. And it's a simple process. And, it's really easy. You call a number, you get the warranty administrator. We submit the repair orders for you, the repair history for you, hopefully the maintenance that's happened in between that time.
That's really good.
We've done it here, so we could submit all of that for you, and you just get your car fixed and move on with your life.
It's on your merry way.
It's a beautiful system, and that's part of the program. Part of the programs, there are several that we're involved in that will help you through that process. In addition to that, as a client of the auto shop, every single time that you come in for service, we will send you a certificate via email that will entitle you to up to a $90 roadside credit. In other words, if you need to have your vehicle...
It's kind of like getting cash back.
Yeah, it's a reimbursement.
It's a reimbursement up to $90.
So if you need to have your car towed back to the shop, we'll cover the first $90. If you need to have flat repair, or if you run out of gas, or you have the keys are locked inside the car, this certificate is good for up to a $90 reimbursement.
Yeah, and it's good for up to 1 year. Mm-hmm. But if you bring your car in every year or every 90 days to get your oil changed or whatever, so you'll constantly, we keep a really good track of making sure that your roadside assistance certificate never expires, because when you come back in, we create another one for you.
And constantly renews with every service.
And so look for that in your email after the repair. Usually it's the same day that we send you the email. Sometimes it's the next day. But to make sure that you are clear on your warranty, so before you even leave, ask the guys up front, making sure that you know how long your warranty is for the different parts, the different repairs. And then making sure that you look for the email with the roadside assistance certificate, and so that you know that you're taken care of wherever you are in the country.
This turned into a really serious kind of TV show for us. I mean, where's the joke?
It's informative.
Come on now.
Okay, so joking, Jerry. Seriously, we just really want you to know that you're really taken care of here. There is a warranty. It's different for different things. And even if you have to get a tow within a year, there's a $90 cash back to help reimburse for the towing expense. So that's awesome.
And we provide that at no charge for our clients.
That's
so
right.
Thank you for being a client at the auto shop.
And so click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share these videos with your friends.
And more importantly, bring us your cars.
Yes. Schedule an appointment at 972-578-0588 or
Go online at www.theautoshop.com.
.com. All right. See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.